Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay, and in today's video I will show you on how to enable tap to pay with contactless payment in Alipay. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to follow your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Alipay app. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead to your phone setting. Whether you are using Android phone or your iPhone, this works perfectly. Go ahead and open up your settings. Then from your phone settings, go ahead and look for hotspot and connection, or better still, come to your search from your settings section and type in NFC. So once you type in NFC, you are going to see so many options as far as NFC is concerned. Go ahead and click on the NFC alone. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you tap this particular icon, turn it on. Now once you turn it on, go ahead and click on tap to pay. Then go ahead and choose your default payment. Go ahead and select Alipay. Once you select Alipay, then it has been set. So next thing you want to do is to go ahead and exit from here and go ahead and open up your Alipay. Have you opened up your Alipay? Go ahead and click on account. Go ahead and click on settings. Go ahead and click on general. Go ahead and click on NFC card. Make sure this particular button here is turned on. It's that simple. So with this, you can use tap to pay in Alipay from any merchant. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Alipay app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.